Eat.
Yeah, I'm always hungry. I'm still growing.
Food.
Yeah. Are you serious? What?
Oh
yeah. Oh yeah. It's time. Last session of the day. Little mad dog. We get her there. We're gonna make y'all work. All right.
They stop sand in them.
What?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, she talking smack. Let's see how she does it.
I'm gonna die.
We already worked hard, y'all, on our stuff. Let's see how they do with these last routines, the last minute. Yeah, we gotta crush her for doing that.
These are actually really comfortable for being flat. Yeah. We're just shoe talking. You know how we are with our
These guys come and talk about shoes. You know what she just asked me a minute ago? She said, Willie, do you know what it's like to be a woman? I can't believe she asked me that. Don't come here with that stuff. Just use whatever energy you got.
Let's go.
Anyways. All right, we're going to do roses. You guys work hard. We're going to blow through 4 routines in 12 minutes.
You're going to die.
You're going to die. It's going to be all right. Hold up. You don't know what side it's on.
No,
Back up.
Down to the back side.
No, it's on this one. It's turned off. You turned it off, see?
I did not.
You did. When y'all start talking negative, the electricity goes down. All right.
There was no negative talk. It was inspiration talk.
You hear that inspiration, y'all? We get
It was old school talk. Just
you
all
ready? We're gonna go straight into curls. You ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I want to see y'all sweat. Y'all will never sweat no more.
He is insane.
All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna go straight with. You ready? Y'all keep messing with me.
Will you ask one more time?
Yeah, you're waiting now, aren't you? Come on. Let's work, y'all. Let's work. I'm tired of talking. You ready? Curl it out. 5, 6. Curl it out. 8. Pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fast. 6, 7. Roll. 8. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull it back 8 times here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eagle up. 8. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push 16. Hit it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uppercut right here. 2, 3. Short push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Jog it out. Come on. Y'all got me laughing already. Come on. Follow me. Hit it. 3, 4. Just slow, boys. They're slow.
I'm with you.
I know you were. You think about being a woman, see? Come on. Catch up. These are fast short ones. Just rock. Just rock. There you go. There you go. Just rock with it. Give it a. Hey.
She's too tall to rock.
Just rock with it. There you go. There you go. Save the energy for the killing.
Yeah, great.
5, 6, 7. Curl it out. Curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it out. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it back. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eagle up. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Punch 16.
Really?
Let's start like the time. I forgot about that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it out. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull it back. 8. Pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eagle up. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Punch 16. Hit it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uppercut. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Jog it out. Jog it. Come on. Jog it out. Ready? 5, 6. Roll it out. 8. Up in 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Roll it out. 1, 2, intentional. 4, 5, 6. Pull it back. 8. Pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eagle up. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Punch it out. Hit it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uppercut right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Jog it out. Hit it. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Follow me right here. Just slow rock. Boom. Boom. Come on. Warming up yet?
Yeah.
We're starting to warm up, y'all.
Not enough for that leg one.
Huh?
Not enough for
Get
that
warmed
leg
up. Come on. Come on. 5, 6. Back to the curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe. Let's keep it going. Woo.
I'm scared too. This one sucks.
Come on, work hard. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. Don't think about the pain. Ready?
So ready? Patchouli oil.
Come on, get that pain. Get that pain. Work hard. Get the thighs. Push up. Ready? 5, 6, drop it. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Scissor up. In and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bob and we switch it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lunge left, switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch right, switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Front snap, kick down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Squat 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Scissor round right here. 2, 3, come on, let's 4, 5, 6, 7. Bottom wing, switch it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lunge left, switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch right, switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Front snap, kick down. 2, it's burning. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide up. Rest if you need to. Come back in. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on, scissor right, right here. Scissor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bottom knee, switch it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll keep going this way. I'll come back. Is it burning?
Yeah.
Is it burning?
Yeah.
Stand up straight for a second. We're gonna break down. We're gonna drop the squat. Let the burn go. You ready? Work hard the rest of the song. Out of
I
thighs.
am working hard.
You ready? Make it work hard, y'all. You ready? All right, let's go ahead and work hard the rest of the song. 5, 6, drop it, 8 squats. On the breakdown. 5, 6, drop it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Scissor up. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bob and weave. Switch it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lunge left. Switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lunge right. Switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Front snap. Kick down. 1. Push out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide it out. 2, 3, 4. Push it, y'all. No pain. Come on. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. 5, 6. Scissor out now. Hit it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it going. Keep it going. 2, 2. Come on, get back in there. 2, 5, 6. Drop it to the squat. Drop it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe. Keep it going. Keep it going.
That was rough. Like, I think that's rougher than Dark Horse rough.
No, get your 5 pounders. Let's go. Come on, we gotta get up to 600 calories. Get your 5 pounders.
5?
Yep.
No,
Sticks.
6.
Get your sticks.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You ready? Come on. 5, 6. Take it up top. Pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curl it out. Slow it down, y'all. 2, 3, 4, 7. Roll it out. Roll it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it back. Pull it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Punch it up. Hit it 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Drop it down. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Take it down. Come on. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Take it down. Roll it to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back up top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push it down. 2, 4, 5, 6. Drop it down.
What's my favorite
Take it up.
word?
Drop it down. Take it up. Take it up. Take it down. Take it down. Take it up. Woo! Take it down. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Woo! Take it down. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Woo! Take it down. Take it up. Take it down. Roll it left side. Hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Right side. Woo! 3, 4, 5, 6. Eagle up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it up top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curl it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curl it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Punch it out here. 1, 2, 5, 6. Drop it down. 1, 3, 4. Take it up. 2, 3, 4, 6. Take it down.
Oh my God!
Take it up. Take it down. Forearms are burning. Take it up. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Take it down. Take it up. Woo! Oh my goodness.
I got
Oh my goodness. My forearms are dying. Oh my God.
Dead.
Oh, we got one more. One more. Got a lot more.
Oh my God.
A lot more. All right.
Oh my God, Willie.
Oh man.
I need
All
some
right, if you
water.
guys are keeping up or working out with us, we're going to 8-pounders now. It's a slow routine. Katy Perry's Wake Me Up. Wake up. We'll use 8-pounders because it's nice and slow. Just kind of cool us down, but tighten us up. Finish off with some heavy weight after all that workout we did earlier. My forearms are like, my forearms are locking up. I can't even hold the bar. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do this.
I think.
Grab, you got some 8-pounders?
I don't know. Yeah.
Oh man.
I'm tired.
We are working hard, working hard. We'll do this one, and then we'll do one dance to finish off our cardio.
One dance. One dance?
Yeah, at the end. No, we're
Yeah.
doing this 8-pounder, and at the end, one dance. We'll do one dance to finish off.
We're doing one more after this?
Yeah, just
The
the
one
cardio
dance?
one, just the
That
Yeah.
was 200 calories.
200 calories. Let's keep it going. We're almost there.
That's 604.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
May as well shoot 4,000.
We're almost there. We're almost there. Grab your 8-pounders. Come on, let's do it. Woo! All right, use these 8-pounders. Slow, moderate. Flex the muscles. Contract them, y'all. Make it work hard. Work hard. You ready? Man, my forearms are locked up. Come on. Take it up top. 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curl. 8. Curl. needles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16 squat. Drop in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bob and weave. Switch it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Back to the top. Pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curl it out. Curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it. Roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll left. Pull you off. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side. Pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eagle left. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squat 16. Drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bob and we switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Round 3 up top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curl it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll it up. Woo! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even left. Oh, go ahead. Left side. I'm sorry. Oh, I was delirious. 5, 6, 7. Right side. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eagle up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit the weights down. Squat it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bob and we switch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 40 of these. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Breathe. Breathe. All right.
What is going on? All right,
All right, here we go. The last one.
Oh, well, I need a break.
All right, breathe. Where we at? Where we at on calories? Where we at? We working, y'all. Trying to put them through it. We almost there. We almost there. We got one last 2-minute routine and we're done.
6:58.
What's up, Matthew Brown? And Taylor Brown. We got all the Browns on here.
Who's the
Willie
Browns?
Brown, Jim Brown. We got all the Browns. Man, Matt, the whole Brown family on here. All right, let's keep it going. I don't want to lose my heart rate.
6:58.
All right, let's do this. And hit this intense so you can at least get that close to 700.
Oh, let's get
On the leg ups, explosive. You ready?
I don't know if I can do this, Willie.
I don't know, just do the best you can. It's only 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Need to breathe a little longer? Need to hydrate?
Yeah, I need some water.
Get some water. Get some water, hydrate.
You say 2 minutes, but it feels like 10.
Yeah, 2 minutes at WILLITARY is like an hour. I need a one dance. Come on, breathe, y'all.
Oh, Willie.
Come on.
50 push-ups.
Write some notes. Yeah, 50 push-ups.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You sure? You sure? You positive?
Yeah.
Do the best you can. Make it through this. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
I will.
Come on. This is the
I
last
will.
day. Come
It's
on.
just going from those squats back up to like militaries to get you busy.
Oh, dude, no, it's the bob and weaves that get
Dude,
me.
you know. They start talking like skateboarders when they get over here.
All right,
it's
you
so
ready?
intense. Yeah, let's go. I've been ready.
Look, that's my everyday talk.
Ho, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side, kick it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. March it out. 8. March it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leg up, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side, pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. March it out. 8. March it. 1. Slow down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick it out, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side, pump it. 1, 2, 4, 6. March it out. 8. March it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leg up, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side, pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. March it out. 8. March it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick it out, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side, pump it. 1, 2, 4, 6. March it out. 8. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Leg up, left side. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Right side. Push it. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. March it out. March it. 1, 2, 4, 6. Kick it left side. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. March it out. 8. Hit it. 1, 4, 6. Leg up, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Right side. Nice and smooth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. March it out. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick it out, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. March it out. We are done, y'all. We hit 700 calories. Working hard. Ho. 702. Hey, hey. Where you going? Look, Lynn's so tired. She hired y'all. We are done. Willitary out. Mad Dog, Little L, Willie Will. Oh man, a full day of sessions. I'm done, y'all. Time to eat and rest. Peace.